before I ended the video, I wanted to just, recap. Basically what I used, whatever. So I used 1 pack of hair. I think it was like 48 inches. I'm not sure what length, but the longer the better, pretty much, because you're cutting it in half. So 1 pack of braiding hair, cut in half. You'll need, get 2 just in case if you want your braids to be bigger. I like the length this is, because I don't like a lot of tension. And I wanted to be able to put it like in a nice ponytail without it like pulling on my edges. This feels comfortable. I don't feel any pull. What I used to moisturize my hair was Cantu leave-in conditioner, olive oil, and I used Eco Gel to like smooth out my edges so they won't be all curling up in it. Well, what are you doing? It's been a minute since I did a video with him on my channel, so I gotta do a new one because his last videos, he's so chunky and fat. Come here. His hair is not done though. Come here, baby. Oh, why you do that? Say hi. Say hi. Say bye. Say bye. 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 I did this hairstyle in 2 hours, like probably 2.5 hours, and that's only because I had to tend to him, make him something. It was super quick and easy. It can definitely be a go-to. It is knotless. And I did that because I wanted it to look a little natural, like I braided my own hair. You don't have to dip it. I did mine because I like the flow of it when it's dipped, and I knew I wanted to put it like in a ponytail. But I like the way it looked without it being dipped. But I think I probably would have liked it better if it was a shorter style. But yes, I like the hairstyle. Hopefully I can keep it up for a minute. But if it started looking bad, I'll just take it down and redo it. Like, and I really love my last knotless. I had knotless box braids the last time, and I like them. So yeah, that's it. Nothing. Okay, you can get down. You can get down. But I hope you enjoyed my videos on my channel. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I've made it to over 100 subscribers. I really appreciate that. I appreciate everybody that's subscribing and the people that show support. Leave a comment if you want me to do something else, out of hair or singing or whatever I do on my channel. My son, if you want to see more videos of my son, just let me know. And yeah, that's it. See you in my next video.